This is my Panasonic TXP42V20B. It developed a problem which on the front has a red light flashing 11 times, which according to the internet said it is the cooling fans which are causing the trouble. And looking at the cooling fans, you can see they're quite gunged, and I did just free this a minute ago, and you see there's a lot of dust on there, so I bought some spray which I'll take it outside maybe and blow it out. But the other fans here also are quite covered. That one's free, so I'll just have a good spray around with this stuff, and hopefully that will cure it.